I realised that for some of you this may be kind of weird. Yeah. I made this video in like 2 hours, so it might not be the best quality and stuff, but, you know, it's not one of my great productions, so it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I was watching this video on this Crazy Dog Man on the current affair, and I just thought, oh my gosh, I have to make fun of this. Here it is.
Now yesterday morning I came out into the front yard and the dogs were across the road, and as soon as they saw me they came bounding over and I just made it into the front door in time.
Because we can! Yes we can!
And I just made it into the front door in time.
What the fuck?